Hello everyone! Today I'm going to make raw kale salad. As you know, kale is a super healthy green vegetable. Kale is a low calorie food, loaded with potential cancer fighting compounds. Lots of vitamin K in kale can help make your bones stronger and reduce the risk of heart disease and manage type 2 diabetes. Kale could improve your immune system and help fight infection. So there are so many reasons to eat kale regularly. Okie dokie, let's begin. To make a kale salad, you have to prepare kale first. I wash them thoroughly and then drain them. And I prepared some of kale here, but I will show you how to strip the kale. So hold end of the stem and strip, so like that. And this one you can tear them into bite size. Okay, I think this will be enough. And then next is add some lemon or lime, but I've got here lime, so put the lime juice in it. Lime juice is in, so I will massage them. This lime aroma is so good. If you don't like raw kale, then you can quickly steam them or cook them. So I think I need a little bit more lime juice. If you could also use lime or lemon as often as you can. Lemon and limes are the alkaline food. Now it's changing the color. It's a deeper green color. When you cook, this also become darker color. It's the same. Ooh. I will leave outside and then make a sauce. Now I'm making sauce. I've got here 2 dates, so make it some slightly sweet. This is homemade hummus. Tablespoon doenjang, 1 clove garlic, pop ginger, roasted sesame seed, cardamom again. I like cardamom because it is alkaline food and also has a lovely aromas. That's why I love this. And pepper, little bit of water to easy to grind them. This is vacuum blender. Before blending, it soaks all the airs. Apparently, in this way, the nutrition will not destroyed. Sauce is done. I'm going to add Jerusalem artichoke. This is seasonal at the moment, and this is nothing to with Jerusalem nor artichoke. But I like this because it has crunch texture and tastes like raw chestnut. I love raw chestnuts, and this is similar to that, so I really like to use this in my food. See? I love it. Red pepper. We will give a nice red color, so You can use carrot as well, whatever you like or whatever you have at home. You can add chili as well, but I'm not going to put it because my husband can't eat spicy food. So I will use sriracha for myself. Chopped parsley. This is lovely, yummy. This tangy from lime, it boosts this flavor. It's not cooked, but it's like a cooked one. So it's a testing time. It has a zingy flavor as the kale has absorbed the lime. With this recipe, you can eat raw kale and doenjang, and because it's raw, no nutrition is lost, and therefore you get maximum benefit from it. So I made earlier the lentil and quinoa, but you can eat with potatoes, rice, or any other grains. Hope you like it and be healthy. See you next time. Bye.